Hello, you're welcome to another interesting video. We want to talk about how to add advertisements to Classiera. We can have two types of advertisement, which is the banner image ad, and then we have the Google ads or HTML ads. Okay. Now, before we begin, we have to find out something. We have to know the template we are using. So first thing, we go to our home page, we click on edit. Coming over to this place, you can see our template is a canary. What it means that I have to come down to my Classiera options on home layout manager, then I have to look for canary, and here is canary. This banner ads is what I'll be using for my advertisement, so I have to enable them. So this, I just want to push it here, then the second one somewhere here, and the last one after my advertisement. So you can decide to arrange these things based on what you feel or how you like it. So after that, I say save. So right now I'm ready to place my advert here. Now if I have an image I want to use as my banner ad, I quickly upload that image here. For example, here is image I want to use as my banner ad. If you have the image on your computer, you can go here and upload it directly. I want to pull it from here because I already have it uploaded here. So I click on the banner ad image and say select, and here is my banner ad, and this banner ad is just the first banner ad image. So here I'll put the link where this banner ad will take me if I decide to click on the banner ad. Okay, for example, let me just save, then go back to my home page. I'm going to refresh this page, and when I go up here, this is my banner ad. So when I click on this banner ad, it takes me to the link, whatever link I put down here. If I want this banner ad to link to a website like yahoo.com, for example, I'm going to put that address here and save. Then coming back to here, I need to refresh this page. So whenever a user or my site visitor click on this ad, it takes them to whatever link I put down below. So you can see this is yahoo.com, which is what I have here. I have one ad here. That's the only ad I have on this page, and that is because I only have one ad here out of the three. This is first banner image. If you want to use HTML code, you can put that here. So this is what I'm going to do. I have a code from somewhere. I'm going to copy this code. It's actually from a big advertiser company that is into advertising, just like Google AdSense. So I paste that code here and I say save. I actually want to know what happens when I have the banner image and the HTML code at the same time. So let's go find out what happens. When I come back here, I'm going to refresh the page. So let's go up. Wow, there's kind of competition, fighting who stays on the page. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get rid of the banner ad and allow this alone. And I say save, and it's done. And refresh again. when I go up, and here is my HTML code. So what can we deduce from this now? You can only have one type of ad at the same time. On the first banner, we have the HTML code. Then on the second banner, I need to use the banner ad, as in the image ad. Select that. Then on the third here, I also want to use the banner ad or the image ad. So here I have one image, two image, and HTML code. That brings us to 3 advertisements in total. So when I say save and go back and review, so here is the HTML code. Here is the second advertisement, which is the banner image, which is the image, and here is the third, which is also an image. Now I'm so curious, I want to find out, can I align this in the center? Let me go try something. So this is basically how to add advertisements to your Classiera team. Now one more thing, in case you don't know, Classiera now has a 3.0.10. So in case you're yet to update, quickly go and update your team. Now thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.